I almost wonder if we need to lift it up a little bit.
We can.
So it's not riding so much on this valance.
Yeah, bouncing down the road.
Yeah.
Well, what I did is I put a thing off of here to here.
It's the only place it's touching on the valance is right here.
But what I done,
Yeah.
once we get it, I have a rubber donut on a bolt thing.
That holds the plates up.
You actually lay it on the blade.
Yeah.
That way it's off the valance. Well, that's how I did the last one.
Well, I'd say it worked, so.
Worked for 3 years.
Hell, it's Monday about 2 o'clock. St. Louis shut down today. We had a freezing rain started about 3 o'clock and it just started melting about 30 minutes ago, so we shut down at work.
See what I'm saying, though?
But now that it's thawed out, we're here to get some stuff done. Nicholas is back from his cruise. Trying to get it done. We got our flat conduit mounted, hiding our wire going into the fuse box. Me and Doug are working on a way to mount this to the tire rack so it's secure. Nicholas has started loading body bracing into the wheel well, all the while going through all our braces. Don't forget spring steel tube too.
Fuck that. That ain't going with us.
We
We're
used it on the right rear quarter towards the end of the year.
Well, we're gonna, once he gets all that spring steel in the car, we need to measure every single piece, and we'll cut a certain amount for each one.
Yeah. We're starting to dwindle down the pile here.
No, there's still a pile back there.
Oh, we got stuff everywhere.
We gotta find out where we're gonna put them for them door bars.
Oh,
Are they the same for the front and back, or no?
no, they're actually a little bit different.
Well, then we gotta take, what, one of each?
So that's a set.
Good, well that can go in there and then the rest can go upstairs. I don't think, if we're going through, we're not gonna go through more of these.
Yeah, there's.
But we need to zip time together like how this is.
Yeah.
Figure out what's what.
Oh. We got stuff everywhere. Loading is always fun. Not really. Alright, set her down in there.
That's what he's talking about now.
Huh?
So if we made this a little taller, well, let's see. I think we need to establish that one first, is why it's being that way.
Yeah. Which we can cut a little taller spacer.
Sure. Yeah, that's all it is. That's why we're doing this stuff now.
I mean, if need be, we can put that spacer over here and cut a little taller spacer there.
Yeah.
are you doing, captains?
We're on it like we're on it.
That's right.
All right.
Now let's go.
We're just barely touching it.
Now what is that distance here? What is that distance there?
I'd say probably an inch.
Let's give ourselves a little leeway.
Inch and a half would. I would do more like inch and 3/4. Go up a little bit. Doug.
Inch and a half.
Inch and a half would get you there. Inch
You
and a
gotta
half would
do
be
it.
perfect.
Inch and a half would be
Be
plenty.
perfect. That's right about an inch and a half.
Yeah, that'll get it off there and everybody's happy. And then we need to bolt accommodate.
Yeah.
And it looks clean.
I think it looks clean. I don't think it looks bad.
Looks great.
Especially if you do the gold nugget over there, the same as that one.
Yeah.
Well, I got a problem.
We'll help you out.
22 5/8. So that's 3/16. That's 11 3/16.
You're correct. Windows 95.
And then a half of 15 is
7.5.
7 is 14. 7.5 is 15. Yep.
At least the people of YouTube can know we math.
You didn't have to read and do both. You had to math to graduate.
I didn't do either.
Okay. That's us. I just need to go. Whoop, I'm gonna go to town. Yeah, I'm gonna make it 15.5 deep. I'm gonna go a little deeper.
So you got a little wiggle room.
I might even go 16. I don't like it crowded. I gotta look at that face and see if it's tapered or not tapered. There's a knob on it, or
What he said.
We're getting ready to start fitting the spring smasher in here. So it's got to notch that shelf out. Nose turned out good.
board's on top, Jason.
That's what I thought. Got a little bracket built back here. Strapped down so it don't bounce. And it don't smash the lower valance there as we're going down the road. Drop us a comment. Tell us what you think about that, how we did. Hit that thumbs up button if you like what you're seeing. I thought the cord come up out of the top of the back of it.
And it needs to be literally like up here.
You got enough cable for it?
Oh yeah, I
Okay.
got shit. But it needs to come through. I need to notch, yeah,
Or drill hole.
drill a hole, bring it up through
Yeah.
there, and then mount a box, and then he could do whatever with it if he needs to plug something in.
Yeah,
Let's make it user friendly.
yeah.
That'll work. And I'm gonna go 16.
What you got there, Nicholas?
Oh yeah. Foams that we'll never use.
What we have just in case.
Right. Last time we put them foams in, we didn't delete one.
Rattle Can Rick is wiring Willie right now.
Wire and Wonka.
Womp, womp, womp.
They fit like butter back there. You're right. That port power might fit back there. There's more room than I think.
The funs and joys of loading while doing a little bit of fabrication.
Nuts.
Huh? I don't know that them are gonna fit in there.
Oh, you bitch. That's negative.
Negative Ghost Rider pattern is full.
Yeah, we're full in that department.
I don't know that we got a cabinet deep enough for them to go in. If they won't go in this one, I don't think them are any deeper up there.
Ain't that bitch.
Plus we gotta put his two big ones in here too somewhere.
Yeah, but them ain't as long as, I don't think them are as wide. That's a hemp. They should probably go together though.
Yeah.
What was that?
That's my mouth.
It sounded like a mule deer.
You been around a lot of mule deer farts? I guess you didn't have them jump on this night.
Well, if he wants it. I mean,
There you go. Yeah. Yeah, that'd actually make more sense. He is left-handed.
I
Somebody
was
else
asked
has
a
it.
really dumb question. But
what was that?
I was like, man, where the fuck are we gonna put our steering thing at? You know, to steer from the back of the car. And I was like, wait,
We got a remote control.
we're up there in live.
Yeah.
I keep coming in here for something.
This would definitely work there, Jason. You are right. He's left-handed.
Yeah.
When he gets here, we'll let him see it. And then we'll let him decide.
Making them pointy again.
Oh, nice, and that'll scrape all kinds of mud. That'll be real.
That's where you need safety glasses with that damn thing.
This ain't took mine. That's all I got right now.
Squint your eyes, same thing.
What's that?
Squint your eyes, it's the same thing.
Oh yeah, mud scrapers. Tweaking them, sharpening them back up so they're not a blunt edge and you can get underneath the mud. Got our batteries back. We sent them to have them serviced and checked out, and they went through them and made them like brand new again, and they updated the top with the bigger bolts. The bolts that were in these things were ridiculously small and metric. A lot bigger bolts. Qualifying up on TV. Nicholas and Doug have been hard at work.
I think you need to put your jack stands back there again.
Yeah, I think so.
And just flip flop them.
Loading stuff.
It'd be so nice. Again, I don't want to put it against the cabinet. I definitely don't. But it'd be so nice if this had just a
Got our gears down here on the bottom.
spare tray that you just set it in, and it can't fall forward. And I'm saying we can't do that here if it clears.
Yeah, if it clears.
Let's get a car here before we sign that.
Yeah.
Well, and
I'd
the
say
other thing is
before
we
we
can
put
put one
any-
on each side.
Before we put anything in between here, we need to see where the nose lands at.
Well, I'm thinking the other thing is you could put one on each side to the
Yeah.
front, because the first 3.5, 4 inches is not going to be used.
Yeah.
Plus, that nose turns. It just stands to reason it can't.
That's right.
Well, here,
Let's downsize. Our right size, it'll be fun, we said.
look here. From here, straight, how
Yeah.
much you got?
6-8 inches.
Okay.
Yeah, and
This one's about,
Hey, you didn't happen to see that?
you're gonna have more than that because these mount back here and push that out even further. The end out.
You didn't happen to see that 2020 SNS that got posted, did you?
That silver one?
the silver one?
The triple axle trailer?
Yeah, I showed you.
Go on the
Dylan.
14-year-old, what did I call it? What did I say?
Right.
Carson Brown site, and look at their rigs
Yeah.
that they went to East Bay with, and or not East Bay. What was the first one?
Volusia.
Volusia.
They got more fuel
gotta
costs
figure out
than
what
we
to
spent
do.
halfway through the year total in racing.
With these gears.
They
That's
took
the question.
5 rigs. And S&S.
Well, we got our lower control arms mounted. Gotta get a pin and put in there. That'll keep them from bouncing around everywhere. Thinking we might hang the J-bar back there on that mount. Not really sure yet because Darren said he'd like to put it in the shock cabinet with the rear end rods. We're waiting on his input for that. Well, it's Saturday about 2 o'clock. I just got here. I've been working all day. Doug's been working all day getting our pump in. He's got it in and mounted. Retarded dog. We've got our connections out here for it, so we got to mount the remote's going to go right here. Making progress. You need to quit peeing all over everything. Yeah. Take number 2.
Okay, let me tighten it up.
We don't have it up.
Hold on. Don't have it up.
No.
Do I have them on backwards?
What do you mean have what on backwards?
You want to switch them 2 wires back around? Red going out to the other?
Well, when I hit the down button, it went down. Switches, the solenoid's working.
Yeah, you're getting power. I wonder, can't believe the battery be that dead. Which way, you went down or up?
That's up.
Well, it's trying to go up.
What'd you do there?
I just lifted this up. Going up?
Yeah.
It's in the button here.
Just quit. There it goes down.
Am I leaking anywhere? That's what I was worried.
No.
Well,
Got it now. It's
is that buttons right? Already did
yeah.
that?
Yeah. Huh?
The cylinder's dripping right there. It's sealed. Probably ought to give them to Larry when the seal kicks in. So it wasn't a battery, it was a connection.
I think she's out.
Huh?
I think she's out. Did you hear the pitch change when you took the jump box off of it?
It went.
You
Yeah.
think it's the battery?
You hear the motor change?
And you get no drippage.
Hit the button.
Huh?
Hit the button. Good?
Okay.
All right. Hit
Well-
the button, it releases the pressure, so you can undo the hoses.
So my work was good.
Yeah.
We just got it now.
We gotta get a good battery. I would say that battery is shot.
Yeah.
19. 319. What's on the side of it?
Turn that off.